Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do that Japanese hair bun without shaping but with teasing, so check it out. So first you need to put your hair in a ponytail, and I did that as usual, and then you tease. For those who do not know how to tease, it's just you move down and out, down and out, down and out. Like that. Do it all in your ponytail. You don't just tease with it like that. So I guess the more you tease, the bigger your bun would be. So yeah, you really just want to get this part big, because that's where your bun is going to be. So, and then after I tease, it's going to be like this, something like this. And if you feel like it's not big enough, you can tease more, but it's going to be like this. And then you do the same thing, you wrap it around your head, like that. And then you tie. And make sure all the little hair sticking out is secured with the elastic. And then if you feel like it's too big, too small, whatever, you can try to fix it. It's really up to you. So I think this is good. The size is good for me. No hair sticking out. It's just that this part is a little bit bigger than this part, but that's okay. I mean, who cares, right? And there you go. Another way to do that Japanese hair bun, and it's really fast. I mean, this took me like 2 minutes max, faster than the other one. So this is good for long hair. Short hair, not really recommended, but a video on short hair would, a video on how to make a Japanese hair bun with the short hair will be coming right up. So I got a request on how to curl my hair, how to curl your hair, and I will get to that right after my exams are done. So dreadful. And after that, I will do a tutorial on how to do a Japanese hair bun with curly hair, and after that, I will do a tutorial on how to do a Japanese hair bun with short hair. And yeah, so stay tuned, and if you have any questions, comment, message, whatever. So that's it. Thanks for watching.